dummies.
Okay, you get that side.
No. It's like
Go.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
Adam, hurry up before my mom comes out.
We're gonna flip. Are we flipping? Front flip or back flip?
You're flipping.
Front flip and say,
Let's go.
front flip.
okay.
This way. There's a little gap though, so. I can't do it. No, we're gonna do it at the same time, so it looks better.
Okay, go. Hurry up. Let's go, Adam. Let's go, you big baby.
I can't. It's like the high bar in the Olympics.
Oh my God, hurry up.
Go.
I have to get in and get changed. Let's go.
Wait, how'd you do it? You just...
He's gonna belly flop it. Hurry up!
I don't know, like...
Go!
I'm going, okay? And the approach. I'm going long, 6'3" from America. I don't know.
Come on!
I'm afraid I might jump too high and it'll hurt.
Ow! I'm gonna come in there and punch you. Let's go.
I'm going!
You're taking like 2 minutes to get in the freaking
How
pool.
long is that video?
It's still going. It's 2 minutes now.
Okay, I'm going! Do you run? Do I have to run or can I just jump into it?
You run.
Jesus Christ, Adam, get in.
I might misstep and just fall in. Dude, that's serious problem. Okay, go business.
Okay, go. I got it.
Ryan's phone?
Yeah.
How come you not videotape with your phone? We need to redo it.
Because my phone is dumb. Go!
I'm trying, guys. This is a lot higher.
I need to get inside and get dressed.
What time is it?
It's 6:11.
Okay, who's that? I heard a car door.
Adam! Are you done? Are you done crying?
That hurts so bad.
Look at you. Smile at the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Look at the big baby. You guys getting out now?
Nope.
Okay.